Dear student, welcome to TechSeed Education, an online coaching app. So in this video, we are going to discuss how to increase the interest in the mathematics because many of the students have the difficulty to understand this subject and we just try to overcome all that difficulty. So in this video, I just discuss the 7 points and hope that all points will help you to increase the interest in the mathematics. So see, different students have different problems to understand this subject. Basically their basic knowledge is not clear about this. जो लोअर स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ते हैं उनको वो अच्छे से समझ में नहीं आता और वो जाके वो हायर स्टडीज में उनको बहुत प्रॉब्लम आती है, बहुत दिक्कत आती है क्योंकि बेसिक नॉलेज अगर आपका क्लियर नहीं है तो you cannot understand the mathematics. Okay, so that's why first try to overcome this difficulty. Okay, the second thing is surrounding is also very important issue because see, your seniors, your colleagues, your friends, they have told you that this subject is very tough. देखो आप कौन से भी स्टैंडर्ड में अगर आप घर पे रिजल्ट बोलते हो so these are my grades. Okay, तो फर्स्ट वो क्या पूछते हैं, what about your grades in mathematics, मैथ्स के ग्रेड क्या है और उसके हिसाब से आपको आप कितने टैलेंट हो ये पता चलता है, ऐसा उनका मानना होता है. बट एक्चुअली इट इज नॉट द थिंग. ओके, सो सी, डिफरेंट स्टूडेंट हैव डिफरेंट इंटरेस्ट. ऐसा नहीं कि मैथ्स में ग्रेड कम आते हैं तो बच्चा टैलेंट नहीं है. Okay, so this, due to this surrounding, actually there is something like phobia about this subject in the students mind. Okay, बच्चों के दिमाग में जो एक फोबिया क्रिएट हो जाता है मैथ्स के रिलेटेड, सो ये हमको ओवरकम करना है so that we can understand properly maths and we are just try to increase the interest in this subject. Okay, so in this lecture we just discuss how to increase the interest in the mathematics. Okay, see, the first point is what that help you to increase the interest is confidence. Okay, because your confidence is very important. Once if you can do it, okay, you can do the maths, you can solve the example, then your 80% work is over there. आपका 80% काम वहाँ पे हो जाता है. ओके, क्योंकि देखो आपने अगर डिसाइड कर लिया है कि मैं एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व कर सकता हूँ तो आप हर प्रकार से उसको सॉल्व करने को तरीका ढूंढोगे. इज इट राइट? You can find the way to solve the example in different angles. Okay, so you can go for the library, you just ask to the friend, you just go to your teacher, and whatever the ways you have, so you can use that all the ways. Am I right? So first thing is confidence is very important, so just try to build your confidence. If your confidence level is high, you can do the mathematics, you can learn the mathematics, and also you can achieve the goal in your life. Okay, so because see, everywhere there is a math, there is nothing without math. Okay, so this is the first thing that also definitely help you to increase your interest in mathematics. So second thing is your foundation. See, the foundation is what your basic knowledge. Suppose if you have the movie ticket, आपने एक मूवी टिकट परचेस किया है और आप मूवी देखने के लिए जाते हो. ओके, और कुछ रीजन से आप स्टार्टिंग से नहीं जा पाते हो. अगर आप इंटरवल से गए, आपको मूवी समझ में आएगा? नहीं समझ में आएगा. सो यू कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन द स्क्रीन. So what is important? Your basic is important. If you go from the first, if you attend the lectures, okay, and then you can understand properly. Okay, आधे में से अगर जाते हो आप, you cannot understand. So same thing is here. If your basic knowledge up to 10th is not clear, so how you can understand the mathematics? And these are the things to decrease the interest in the mathematics. These are the barriers actually. Okay, so you have to just overcome all these barriers. ये सारे बैरियर आपको ओवरकम करने हैं, आपका फाउंडेशन क्लियर करना है. तो अभी आप बोलेंगे सर अभी हुआ फर्स्ट ग्रेड से लेके 12th ग्रेड तक कैसे हम प्रिपेयर करें, इतना बड़ा टॉपिक है. सो यू हैव जस्ट डू वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट. आपको जो इम्पोर्टेंट है वही करो. ओके, जो बेसिक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सिर्फ इंजीनियरिंग के लिए सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है? यू शुड हैव द नॉलेज ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, डेरिवेटिव एंड इंटीग्रेशन. ओके सर, ये तीनों बोल के तो आपने हमारा बहुत टेंशन बढ़ा दिया. डोंट टेक अ टेंशन. Okay, I will share some video lectures, okay, regarding these three topics so that you can understand properly. Okay, don't go in depth. Okay, don't go in depth. What are the things that we actually use in the mathematics, that we will discuss. Okay, so this is the very basic criteria. So this is the foundation is very important. Try to build your foundation. Okay, अगर आपका जो है क्लियर रहेगा तो डेफिनेटली आपको मैथ्स अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. एंड इफ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द मैथमेटिक्स, इट विल automatically you can increase your interest in the mathematics. Okay, so third thing is what? पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड. आपको आपका एटीट्यूड जो है पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए, क्योंकि देखो अगर आपने सोचा है कि मैं कर सकता हूँ तो ये डेफिनेटली आप कर सकते हो, एटलीस्ट ट्राई कर सकते हो. सो इफ यू जस्ट keep in mind that we cannot do it, I just hate this subject, I cannot do that, so there is nothing will happen. Okay, आपका कुछ नहीं हो सकता. फिर को पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड माइंड में रखना चाहिए. अगर आपका पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड है तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. this is very important thing. Then after this, connect math with everyday life. This is very important thing. Why? Because see, if you just only doing the maths in the classroom and you are not applying in your day-to-day life, even if you don't know how to apply the maths in our day-to-day life, directly or indirectly there is a maths in your surrounding actually. Okay, so if you just go everywhere in the universe, you can find the maths. Okay, so you have to connect the maths with your everyday life. How? See, if suppose you just get up from the sleep in the early morning, so what is there? So you just first what you are doing, आप क्या करते हो? आप टाइम देखते हो. सो टाइम, सी इन द वॉच देयर इज मैथमेटिक्स. बराबर है ना, आपका टाइम के हिसाब से चलता है सब. सुबह इतने बजे की हमको बस पकड़नी है, इतने बजे फर्स्ट लेक्चर अटेंड करना है. ऑल दैट थिंग्स यू जस्ट डू with the help of mathematics only. Suppose you have studied the derivative in the class. What is the use of differential equation derivative? Yes, Newton law of cooling is the best example. Okay, then what is the use of Laplace transform? Signal system. What is the use of Fourier transform? Signal system, isn't it? So see, a year before I go, we have got the image of black hole. Do you know that? Okay, so that image we can got with the help of Fourier transform only. This is the powerful signal system we can generate with the help of that. What is the use of matrix? Video game, transpose, yes, coding system. All these are the application. You have to focus on that. You just have to ask to the teacher how we can use this topic in our day-to-day life. Directly or indirectly, you are using all that things. Understand? Okay, so the fourth thing, connect the math to everyday life so that you automatically your interest will increase in this subject. So next is what? Curiosity. It is very also important tool to increase the interest in the mathematics. How this example I will solve? Okay, how this topic we will prepare, sir? How this step will come, sir? Which formula you have used? These all the things that increase your curiosity, and automatically your interest will increase towards this subject. देखो आपने पूछना है टीचर को, 60 बच्चे होते हैं क्लास में, मैं कैसे पूछूं? डोंट हेजिटेट, सब सेम होते हैं. ओके, आपको क्वेश्चन है, आपने खड़ा रहना चाहिए, रेज योर हैंड एंड आस्क द टीचर. Okay, because if you have the question in your mind and if you cannot solve that, then that is the big problem in the future. आपको फ्यूचर में वो बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा आगे जाके. So whatever you have the question, so clear that topic, clear that question at the same time. If it is not possible in the classroom, then go to the cabin, okay, and then ask the teacher or discuss with friends, but don't keep that question in your mind. Okay, clear that. Go to the Google. So many ways you have to solve that question. Okay, so just try to increase your curiosity. Automatically you will increase the interest in this subject. Okay, so next thing is what? Lectures. So don't say the sir to attend the lectures again. See, it is very important to attend the lecture. Why? Because in a 60 minute, if you can understand at least 5 minutes, 60 मिनट के लेक्चर में अगर आप 5 मिनट का भी अंडरस्टैंड होता है आपको तो भी बहुत है, क्योंकि that 5 minutes will never come back in your life, understand? okay, so जो 60 मिनट तक आपके सामने खड़ा रह के लेक्चर दे रहा है, that person has some knowledge, you have to agree with me. ओके तो अगर आपका ये जो है कि वो टीचर अच्छे से पढ़ाते ही नहीं है, हमको समझ में नहीं आता है, आपके माइंड में ये कर लिया आपने, आपके सीनियर्स ने बोला है कि वो टीचर अच्छा पढ़ाता नहीं है, उनका लेक्चर मत करो, ऐसे ऐसे करो, ऐसे वैसे करो, आपके माइंड में, आपने लेक्चर भी अटेंड कराने होता है तो भी आपके माइंड में ये होता है कि वो अच्छा लेक्चर नहीं पढ़ा. दैट इज वेरी रॉन्ग थिंग. यू शुड हैव टू अटेंड द लेक्चर वॉट एवर द प्रॉब्लम यू हैव. ओके आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो धीरे धीरे आपको अंडरस्टैंड होगा. okay, if you are not getting the things well, so just go to the teacher, go to the cabin and ask the teacher, sir, we haven't understand properly, so just repeat it again. okay, so in this way we can you can definitely increase your interest in the mathematics, understand? So next thing is what? Discussion with the friends. See, this is also very important thing. So you should have to discuss with your friend, you should have to increase the habit of group study. okay, so that देखो अगर एक टॉपिक आपको समझ में नहीं आता तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपके फ्रेंड को अगर वो अच्छे से समझ में आया तो वो आपको अच्छे से बता सकता है कि yes, I have understand this topic, so I just explain you. Okay, so in this way you can also increase your knowledge. In this way you can also increase your collaboration with friends. Okay, and with the discussion all the problems will be solved. Okay, so if cannot solve the problems with, if you cannot get the solution from your friends, you just go to the teacher, go to the Google, go to the library. Okay, so many ways are there. You should have to ready for all the problems, all the difficulties, all the barrier. Okay, so once if you overcome all these things, and these seven, I hope that these seven things, these 7 points will help you to increase the interest in the mathematics. And see, from the upcoming lectures I will discuss the basic things that will help you to understand the mathematics in the engineering level. okay, please remember this, mathematics is the language of universe. okay, you know, more equation you know, the more you can converse the cosmos. okay, so see, everywhere there is a maths. okay, actually we can say that it is the language of universe. okay, so the great author Neil deGrasse Tyson had said this wonderful line. okay, so hope you this video will help you to increase the interest in the mathematics. okay, thank you.